Hey there, homeowners and adventurers. Are you ready to take a giant leap towards a safer living space? Introducing the ultimate guardian for your home, the 4-in-1 natural gas and carbon monoxide detector. Imagine a device that not only detects carbon monoxide, but also natural gases like propane and methane. That's right, our 4-in-1 detector is your all-in-one solution for peace of mind. With real-time temperature display in Fahrenheit and humidity levels, you'll have all the environmental data at your fingertips. It's not just a detector, it's a comprehensive home monitoring system. Whether you're cozying up in your living room, preparing a feast in the kitchen, or getting some rest in your bedroom, this detector is designed to seamlessly blend into your home decor, while keeping a vigilant eye on your safety. And when danger lurks, it doesn't just notify you. It alarms you with loud, clear signals and flashing lights to ensure you never miss a beat. Already loved by homeowners and RV enthusiasts alike, our detector is your reliable partner in safety. Hear what they have to say. So why wait? Protect your loved ones and your home today. Click the link in the description to grab your 4-in-1 natural gas and carbon monoxide detector now. Don't let another day pass without the ultimate safety for your sanctuary.